Hello children, how are you? Hope you are all fine. So children, today we will study about division of fraction. In the last class we have studied multiplication of fractions, and now today we will study division. So how to divide two fractions. So let us take first one, division of a whole number by a fraction. We will take a whole number and then we will divide by a fraction. So let us take one example to illustrate this. Whole number, any whole number will take. Suppose we have taken 9 divided by fraction, any fraction we can take. 3 by 4, I have taken 3 by 4. 9 divided by 3 by 4. Now how to divide? Whenever we are dividing whole number by fraction, always see the right hand side. Always see the right hand side part. Here right hand side part, whether it is whole number or fraction or mixed fraction, whatever, you have to just see first of all the right hand side part. Here right hand side part is 3 by 4. So always what we'll do, we'll take the reciprocal of 3 by 4 and this division sign will convert to multiplication. So here what we'll do, equals to 9, divide is changed to multiplication, and we have to take the reciprocal always the right hand side number. Right hand side number is 3 by 4, the reciprocal is 4 by 3. Now we have completed this, in turns it into division, is turns into multiplication. Now easily we can multiply. 3 we can cut, 3 3 are 9. So 3 into 4, how much? 12. We are getting 12. Now see one more example. See 5 divided by 4 by 7. See, one whole number and divide by fraction. So 5, divide is changed to multiplication, and we have to take the reciprocal of 4 by 7. So what is reciprocal of 4 by 7? 7 by 4. So is it, because we can't divide it, if we want to divide like 5 divided 4 by 7, then it is not possible to divide. So the method is divide is changed to multiplication, and always take the reciprocal of the right hand side one. Don't take reciprocal of 5, otherwise it will be wrong. So 5 into 7 by 4. Now multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. As you know very well how to multiply two fractions. So I have put 1 as denominator in 5. 5 7s are 35 and 1 4s are 4. See one more example children. Let's divide 11 divided by 2 by 5. So how? 11 into 5 by 2. Now not possible to cut, then multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Then what will get? 11 5s are 55 and 2 1s are 2 will get. Now see children, the non-zero number. Non-zero means which is not zero, whose product with each other. Non-zero numbers, two numbers are there, whose product with each other is 1. And when we take the product of these two numbers, and if we get 1, then that numbers are called reciprocal of each other. See example. Suppose I have taken one number 2 by 5. And now I am taking the reciprocal of 1, 2 by 5, that is called 5 by 2. Now if I take the product, now taking product. So what is product? 2 by 5 into 5 by 2. Now cut, 5 1s are 5 1s are, 2 1s are 2 1s are. So what we are getting? 1 into 1 1, 1 into 1 1, 1 by 1. 1 by 1 means 1 only. That means when we are multiplying two non-zero numbers such that the product we are getting 1, then we call it reciprocal of each other. Means 2 by 5 is reciprocal of 5 by 2 and 5 by 2 is reciprocal of 2 by 5. That is 2 by 5 is reciprocal of 5 by 2, and 5 by 2 is reciprocal of 2 by 5. So any number you can find out using this. Suppose 6 by 7 only, then 6 by 7 multiply by 7 by 6, then we get the product as 1 again. Then we can say the 6 by 7 is reciprocal of 7 by 6, and 7 by 6 is reciprocal of 6 by 7. Now see the next part. To divide a whole number by any fraction, multiply that whole number by the reciprocal of that fraction. To divide a whole number by any fraction. This is just the statement that we studied division of fraction. To divide a whole number by any fraction. Whole number by any fraction, multiply the whole number by the reciprocal of fraction. That only we have done. That is the important note we come to understand. Just now in the first topic we have studied division of fraction, division of whole number by fraction. So this is the statement. Means whenever we want to divide whole number, let us take one more example. 15. To divide a whole number by any fraction will take. Let us take 3 by 4, 5 only. To divide this by any fraction, then what we have to do? Multiply that whole number. This is the whole number. Multiply that whole number with the reciprocal. What is reciprocal? 5 by 3. So in this way we can do division. 5 5s are 25. Now in the series of division only, we will divide fraction by a whole number. So let us take one fraction. Previously we have studied whole number by fraction. Now fraction by a whole number. So what we'll do? We'll take example fraction. So I taken one fraction, 5 by 7. Divided by whole number. Take any whole number. So I am taking here 12. 5 by 7 divided by 12. So what we'll do in this also, always take the reciprocal of the right hand side, but the reciprocal contains only one digit, numerator only, so we will put 1 as denominator. Always do like this. Now take reciprocal. 5 by 7, divide is changed to multiplication, 1 by 12. Always take reciprocal of right hand side, so we have taken reciprocal. We have taken reciprocal. Reciprocal of 12 by 1 is 1 by 12. What is reciprocal? Always invert the number. If the number is a by b, then its reciprocal is b by a. Taking reciprocal. Now simple multiplication, as we know, numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So 5 ones are 5 and 12 sevens are 84. This is the answer. So we can divide any fraction by whole number in this way. Now the next part, see the next part. Division of a fraction by another fraction. We will divide fraction with fraction. Till now what we are doing? Whole number with fraction, fraction with whole number. Now fraction with fraction. What happens when we are dividing fraction by fraction? So let us again take one example. 9 by 11 divided by 9 by 11 divided by 4 by 5. So how to divide this one? So what we'll do in this also, children, we will take the reciprocal of right hand side always. No, don't take reciprocal left hand side. Divide is changed to multiplication. 4 by 5 becomes 5 by 4. Now multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So see, we have divided fraction with another fraction. This is fraction, this is another fraction. So there are three cases we have studied. Now let us start exercise 2.4. So same division of fractions we have to study. So let's start. Let's do some questions. Question number 1. Find 12 divided by 3 by 4. Solution. So how to do, you know, children? 12 divide is changed to multiplication. Take the reciprocal of 3 by 4. 3 by 4 reciprocal is 4 by 3. Whenever divide is there, change first into multiplication and take reciprocal of right hand side always. Now divide 3, 4 are 12, you can cut. Now what will get? Or you can put as 1, 3 ones are 3 4s are. Now multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So what will get? 4 4s are 16, 1 ones are 1. Now see the second one, 14. Divide is changed to multiplication and now take the reciprocal. Reciprocal of 5 by 6, 6 by 5. Now put 1 as denominator here. Now multiply numerator with numerator. 14 into 6, 1 into 5. 14 6 are 84 by 5. Now see question number 3. How to do question number 3? 8 divide by 7 by 3. So let's do this one also. 8 divide is changed to multiplication. Take reciprocal 3 by 7. Put 1 as denominator. Multiply numerator with numerator. 8 into 3 and 1 into 7. 8 is a 24. 7 and 7. Now see the second one next. 4 divide change to multiplication. Take reciprocal of 8 by 3. 3 by 8. Now we can cut here. 4 ones are 4 2. Whenever it is simplifying, then you have to simplify first. Don't just multiply like that. So 1 3s are 3 and 1 2s are 2. So this is the answer, 1 3 by 2. Now see whole number with mixed fraction. So again what we'll do first, we will convert mixed fraction to improper. So let's start solution. 3 divided by 3 2 is 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 by 3. Now take reciprocal. Reciprocal of 7 by 3 is, what is the reciprocal of 7 by 3? Into 3 by 7. Now put 1 as denominator, multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So 9 by 7 is the answer. Now once again doing the same type of question, whole number with mixed fraction. So 5 divide by 7th here 21, 21 plus 4, 25. 25 by 7. First convert mixed fraction to improper and always take reciprocal of right hand side. Don't take reciprocal of left hand side. Always take reciprocal of the right hand side number. 5 by 1 divide is changed to multiplication. 7 by 25. Now easily it is, we can cut. So we have cut 1 into 7 7. Multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. The 1 7 is 7 and 1 5 is 5. So see children, how simple are these questions. Now reading question number 2. Find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. Some fractions are given to us and we have to find out the reciprocal of each. Then classify the reciprocal as proper fraction, improper fraction and whole number. And then we have to classify also the which type of fraction we are getting after we have converted their reciprocal. So let's start. First one, fraction is given to us 3 by 7. What is reciprocal? 3 of 3 by 7, 7 by 3. Now 7 by 3, numerator is greater than denominator, so improper fraction. So we'll write improper fraction. Numerator is greater than denominator, then improper fraction. Now same, next one, 5 by 8. What is reciprocal of 5 by 8? 8 by 5. So again numerator is greater than denominator, so again it is improper fraction. Then third one, 9 by 7. Reciprocal of 9 by 7, 7 by 9. So here numerator is smaller than denominator, so this is proper fraction. So we'll write proper fraction. Now, next one. The next one, see the next one, children. Six by 5. So, what is the reciprocal of 6 by 5? What is the reciprocal of 6 by 5? 6 by 5 reciprocal is 5 by 6. So, 5 by 6 again, numerator is smaller, so proper fraction. Next one, 12 by 7. What is reciprocal of 12 by 7? 7 by 12. So again it is proper because numerator is smaller than denominator, proper fraction. The next one, 1 by 8. So what is the reciprocal of 1 by 8? 8 by 1. 8 by 1 means 8 only. 8 by 1 is 8 only because 1 is denominator, so we can write it as a whole number. So 8 by 1, 8, 8 by 1, 8 is whole number. This is whole number. Then 1 by 11, last one. See the last one, 1 by 11. 1 by 11 reciprocal is 11 by 1. 11 by 1 means 11 only. So again it is a whole number. Now question number 3, proceed to question number 3. Again division of fraction by whole number. So let's start. 7 by 3 divided by 2 by 1. We will put denominator as 1. Now 7 by 3, divide is changed to multiplication. Take reciprocal always right hand side. 2 by reciprocal, 1 by 2. So 7 ones are multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So what result will get, children? 7 by 6. Now see the second one. Again 4 by 9 divided by 5 by 1. Put 1 as denominator. Now 4 by 9, divide is changed to multiplication. 5 by 1 becomes 1 by 5. Reciprocal of 5 by 1 is 1 by 5. Now multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So what will result will get, children? 4 by 45. Now see the next one, third one. Let us proceed to do question number 3. 6 by 13 divided by 7. So here again what we'll do? 6 by 13 divided by 7 by 1. We'll put 1 as denominator. Now take reciprocal again as usual. 1 by 7. Now multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. 6 1s are 6, 13 7s are 95. Similarly, question number 4 also. 4 here 12, 12 plus 1, 13. First convert mixed fraction to improper. So 13 by 3 divided by 3 by 1. Put 1 as denominator. Now take reciprocal again. Reciprocal of 3 by 1, 1 by 3. Now multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So what result will get? 13 by 9. Now see next question, 5th and 6th. Same. So let's start again this one also. First convert mixed fraction to improper. 2 3 6 plus 1 7. 7 by 2 divided by 4 by 1. Now take reciprocal. As usual, take the reciprocal of right hand side again always into 1 by 4. Not possible to cut, so multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. 7 1s are 7 and 4 2s are 8. Now see the last question, 6th one. Again, first of all convert mixed fraction to improper. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 3 31. put 1 as denominator, take reciprocal of 7 by 1. Now multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So what result will get? 31 by 7 7s are 49. 31 by 49. Now let us proceed to question number 4. Again, division of fraction with fraction. So let's start. Solution number 1. 2 by 5. Divides change to multiplication. Take reciprocal of 1 by 2. 2 by 1. Always take reciprocal of right hand side. Now multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So what result will get? 2 2s are 4 and 5 1s are 5. See second one now. 4 by 9. Divide change to multiplication. 3 by 2. Now possible to cut? Then cut always. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. 3 1s are 3 3s are 9. Now multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. 2 1s are 2 and 3 1s are 3. Now see the third one. Same, all questions are nearly same. 3 by 7. Divide change to multiplication. Take reciprocal of right hand side. 7 by 8. Possible to cut, then cut also. Multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So what result will get? 3 by 8. Now let us proceed to question number 4th and 5th. Then 4th one now. So let's first convert mixed fraction to improper. 3 to the 6, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 by 3. Divide, change to multiplication. And take reciprocal. What is reciprocal of 3 by 5? 5 by 3. Now multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. 7 5s are 35 and 3 3s are 9. And now convert. This is improper, so we can convert also in mixed fraction. 3 8 by 9. We can convert in mixed fraction if it is improper. Now same as this one. 3 to the 6 plus 1 7. 7 by 2. Divide is change to multiplication. Take reciprocal 8 by 3. 3 by 8. Not possible to cut, so multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. 7 3 are 21. 8 to the 16. Again improper, so convert into mixed fraction. 16 is 16. 1 5 by 16. Now see the last two questions, 7th and 8th. Five solution. 5 to the 15 plus 1, 16 by 5. Divide, both are now mixed fraction, so no problem. We'll convert mixed fraction to improper. 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 2, 5 by 3. Now what we'll do? We will divide is changed to multiplication and we'll take reciprocal of 5 by 3. What is reciprocal of 5 by 3? 3 by 5. Now not possible to cut, so multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. 16 is 48 and 5 5s are 25. So this is improper fraction, so we'll convert. 25 into 25. 123 by 25. Now see the last question. Again mixed fraction to improper. 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11. 5 1s are 5 plus 1 6 by 5. Convert division to multiplication and take reciprocal of right hand side always. Always take right hand side reciprocal. Don't take reciprocal of left hand side. Now possible to cut the cut. 5 5 5. Multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So when we multiply them, what will get? 11 by 6. Now convert in mixed fraction. 6 1 is 6. 1 5 by 6. 1 5 by 6. So this is our solution.